So in today's video we discuss how to show or hide grid in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Suppose if you open a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation slide, so if you open a PowerPoint presentation, then you can see, so this is a slide is open here now, and suppose if you want to show a grid or if you want to hide a grid, then there is a keyboard shortcut method. That is, you must go to your computer keyboard, and there you can see this is the shift key, and this one is the F9 key. So you must press this shift key and this F9 key. These two keys at the same time. You must press this shift key and F9 key. These two keys at the same time. So if you press these two keys at the same time, then you can see that the grid have been appeared here. You can see here now. And suppose if you want to remove this, then you must again press these two keys at the same time. That is the shift key and this F9 key. So if these two keys are the same, then the shift key and F9 key, I can see that the grid have been removed from PPT presentation. For more, you can subscribe.